Good morning, LC people. Well, the other week I was working on Eddie Pfeiffer's lc2, and as you can see now, Dave's finally got the bodywork on it and it's all back together. It looks very, very nice. I do love the choice of colour scheme that he's picked for this bike. You don't see too many black and red ones, do you? They're normally always the white and red, but it does look absolutely beautiful. Very happy about it. Got all the bodywork back on it yesterday, and there's nothing really much left to do to it. It's been a bit of a journey, obviously, as you know, because I've had to wait for the paintwork, but the guy that does our paintwork, absolutely brilliant. He does look stunning. It's a bit grubby. I've had my dirty fingers on it, but I've had a few little jobs to do on it this morning, but nothing major. And really, it's, all it really needs is a bit of a shakedown, and she's good to go. She does sound fantastic. Really, really does. Very crisp, but you know, the engine has been done, I had no worries. That's it. Everything's as it should be. The instruments are all good to go. The lights are good to go. Flash. Yeah, brake lights. That's it, folks, really. It's Eddie'd be very happy with it. So any of you guys that live down Plymouth Way, you'll see this out next year. You know, I worked in the aviation industry, so it's a bit weird, isn't it? I know it's not 747, it's a 777, but hey, I'm sure Barry Sheen's number used to be number 7 3 times over, so yeah. That's a good sign in my book. Nothing else really to report about it. I got to have a look for some mirrors, but I don't think I have any. I've had a look through what we've got on the LC ones, and unfortunately, for whatever reason, through the left-hand side and not the right-hand side, the right-hand side's got a left-handed thread on it. But there you go. So now I think Eddie will MOT it himself. I just need to take it for a ride and make sure it pulls how it should. And that's it, folks, really. But yeah, thanks for watching the progress on this bike. I've thoroughly enjoyed it. I've got other projects in the pipeline, as you know, but for as far as Dave's concerned with this LC2, I'm done. Okay, folks, thanks for watching. Dilly dilly.